What's going on, everyone? If you've been following the weed scene in Asia, you probably know Thailand made history back in 2022 when they became the first country in Asia to decriminalize cannabis. Well, things have changed dramatically. As of June 2025, the party is officially over. Let me break down everything you need to know. The big reversal. So here's what happened. On June 26, 2025, Thailand's public health minister signed an order that completely flipped the script. Cannabis flower is now classified as a controlled herb, and recreational use is officially banned. The government says they made this move because of rising complaints about tourists smoking in the streets, health concerns, and increased cannabis use among young people. The public health minister made it crystal clear, and I quote, "Thailand should not be seen as a destination for recreational cannabis use." Under this new law, you now need a valid prescription from a licensed Thai doctor, traditional medicine practitioner, or pharmacist to buy cannabis. That prescription is only good for 30 days and covers a maximum 30-day supply. You have to be at least 20 years old, and pregnant women are completely banned from using it, even for medical purposes. Here's the important part. Public consumption is strictly illegal. If you get caught smoking in a park, on the street, or in a hotel, you're looking at fines up to 25,000 baht, which is around $700, and potentially up to 3 months in jail. Between October 2024 and March 2025, over 800 cannabis smugglers were arrested, and authorities seized more than 9 metric tons of cannabis being shipped out of the country. If police catch you with cannabis and you don't have a Thai prescription, they can detain you for up to 48 hours for questioning, and a judge can extend that to 84 days while they sort out your case. This is serious. What happened to the industry? Remember those 18,000 cannabis shops that popped up everywhere? Those green neon signs on every corner in Bangkok? All that advertising is now banned. Shops no longer sell cannabis without verifying a customer has a prescription. Industry experts estimate around 12,000 dispensaries could be forced to close by the end of 2025. The $1.2 billion industry that everyone was so excited about is basically collapsing.